Cardano value equivalent to 5.1893 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.1155, 5.2725. The earlier day close, 5.2400. The change was 0.0507. 0.97%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 5.07 rands, high 5.42, low 4.72. Cardano gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 5.07 rands, high 5.42. Low 4.72. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost 5.13 rands, high 5.49, low 4.77. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost 4.95 rands, high 5.30, low 4.60. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost 5.14 rands, high 5.50, low 4.78. Cardano figure on Friday, July 21, cost 5.29 rands, high 5.66, low 4.92. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost 5.16 rands, high 5.52, low 4.80. Cardano figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost 5.01 rands, high 5.36. Low 4.66. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost 4.94 rands, high 5.29, low 4.59. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Thursday, July 27, cost 5.05 rands, high 5.40, low 4.70. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost 5.08 rands, high 5.44. Low 4.72. Cardano figure on Monday, July 31, cost 5.14 rands, high 5.50, low 4.78. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 5.34 rands, high 5.71, low 4.97. Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 5.56 rands, high 5.95. Low 5.17. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 5.24 rands, high 5.61, low 4.87. Cardano figure on Friday, August 4, cost 5.33 rands, high 5.70, low 4.96. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 5.17 rands, high 5.53, low 4.81. Cardano figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 5.22 rands, high 5.59, low 4.85. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 5.09 rands, high 5.45, low 4.73. In about a month Cardano figure on Thursday, August 10, cost 5.17 rands, high 5.53, low 4.81. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 5.17 rands, high 5.53, low 4.81. Cardano figure on Monday, August 14, cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 5.38 rands, excessive cost 5.78, while low cost 4.59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.22. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.14, change for July 4.5%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 5.14 rands, excessive cost 5.99, while low cost 4.69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.22. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.04, change for August 1.9%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 5.04 rands, excessive cost 5.04. While low cost 3.93, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.56, Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.23, change for September 16.1%. Cardano conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 4.23 rands, excessive cost 4.62. While low cost 4.02, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.30, Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.32, change for October 2.1%, Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 4.32 rands, exorbitant cost 4.72. While low cost 4.10, the found the middle value of cost 4.39, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.41. Change for November 2.1%, Cardano gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 4.41 rands, exorbitant cost 5.21, while low cost 4.41, the found the middle value of cost 4.73, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.87, change for December 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 4.87 rands, exorbitant cost 4.95, while low cost 4.31, the found the middle value of cost 4.69, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.63, change for January 4.9%. Cardano gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 4.63 rands, exorbitant cost 5.75. While low cost 4.63, the found the middle value of cost 5.10, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.37, change for February 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.37 rands, exorbitant cost 5.84. While low cost 5.08, the found the middle value of cost 5.44, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.46, change for spring 1.7%, Cardano estimate for April 2024, first and foremost cost at 5.46 rands, exorbitant cost 5.94, while low cost 5.16, the found the middle value of cost 5.53, Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.55, change for April 1.6%, Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 5.55 rands, exorbitant cost 5.60. While low cost 4.86, the found the middle value of cost 5.31, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.23, change for May 5.8%. Cardano gauge for June 2024. To start with cost at 5.23 rands, exorbitant cost 5.79, while low cost 5.03, the found the middle value of cost 5.37, Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.41, change for June 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 5.41 rands, excessive cost 5.41, while low cost 4.47, the